Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am Joyce. I'm a nurse here in the UK, and thank you so much for being with me today. If you are new here, welcome. I do hope that you find value in today's video. Today is going to be a bit different because I will be sharing with you things about my at-home workouts. So we're gonna segue a little bit from money talks. I found out that at-home workouts work better for me. At the time when I was still living with my sister, she was the one who was really pushing me and helping me to get into the habit of working out. And from then, we started accumulating equipments for our workouts. And today, I will be sharing what equipments I swear by. When starting out and planning to do home workouts, it can really be overwhelming because you would look in the internet and then check what equipment you need to start. And there are just multitude of resources you can find which can give you contradicting opinions, and at times it can cause you to have analysis paralysis or ruminating over a decision over and over again that you end up not having a decision. But to be honest with you, you don't really need lots of equipment when starting at home workouts. All you really need is your body, your mentality that you're gonna do it and stick to it, and probably just a workout mat. But of course, as you get along and find the type of workout that you need, that's when you will start building up and accumulating equipments to level up or up the ante of your workout. Just so you know, the equipments that I have are not the hottest in the market, nor is it most sought after. Yet, I swear by them because they are timeless, and also they are very versatile because I can use them for different workouts and use them for different purposes. I have seen results in myself aesthetically, and most importantly, I have seen improvements in my strength, in my ability to do these workouts. And for all these equipments, I will be putting the link below so you can check them out. So, for the first one is an exercise mat. Before, I would just really do my workouts wherever I am without using a mat. But then I realized that, well, I really need it because it ensures that I am safe whenever working out. It makes sure that I'm comfortable, and also it prevents me from damaging carpets and wooden floors whenever I work out. In the flat where we live, as you can see, it's quite a small flat, but I have enough space for me to work out in our lounge slash dining room. And where I'm standing now is actually where I do workout. So I would just really put my mat here and do my workouts. Our house is carpeted, so putting an exercise mat helps prevent me from having carpet burn if ever I slip, and also it prevents our carpet from very early wear and tear because of course I'm wearing shoes whenever I work out, and it prevents it from really getting worn out quickly. Second, this is the one that I am really thankful that I have invested on. These are adjustable dumbbells. In reality, I would really prefer to have set of dumbbells with different weights, but adjustable dumbbells help me save money as well as I progress through the weight that I'm needing. I bought these adjustable dumbbells on 2019 before it has become hot in the market, because now if you would check, any types of weight, it's just the price has just really skyrocketed. I think the weights that I have now costs 3 times more than when I bought it. If you're starting out and still trying to learn what weights you can use and comfortably and safely execute exercises, you would need them because you need to adjust the weight that you would need without having to pay for a new set of dumbbells. However, as you go along, you will really need another pair because as of now, I am doing Caroline Girvan workouts, and at times when we do full body workouts, of course, the weight that I'm using for lower body workouts is not the same as the one I use for my upper body. And before, I would take so much time adjusting my 5 kg to 2.5 kg, and most of the rest period has been already taken up with just adjusting the dumbbells. Luckily, my boyfriend also has a pair of adjustable dumbbells, so now I have 2 pairs of adjustable dumbbells which I can use and interchange whenever I need to. But no matter what you buy, be it an adjustable dumbbell or a set of dumbbells with different weights, it is a very good investment. According to experts, incorporating weights in your workouts can help you develop stronger bones, prevent injury, make you leaner, improve mobility, endurance, and However, if you can't get the hold of weights when you're starting out, you can use household items such as water bottles and a heavy book. Yoga blocks. There's a story why I bought yoga blocks. Before, I don't do yoga before, but I would stretch, but I wouldn't count it as yoga. So I bought it because there's a workout in Caroline Gervan's program where she uses yoga blocks to increase the depth of her workouts, and especially during lunges and squats. She said we can use a thick book, but I prefer to use yoga blocks because I don't want to damage my books. But if you are going to use yoga blocks the way Caroline suggests it, you can also use, if you have extra pair of dumbbells, you can use those to step on to just really elevate and increase the depth of your workouts. Overdoor pull-up bar. I got this pull-up bar back in 2019 and I still have it up to now. I actually got this one because at the time my boyfriend is really good at doing pull-ups and I got inspired. But to tell you, at this time I don't even know how I'm gonna start learning. My back muscles are really weak and I do not even have the slightest idea how I'm gonna pull it off. So I've been searching in YouTube and learning how to get my first pull-up. So I learned that I needed resistance band, and the resistance band that I've been using just to help to assist me in getting myself up is this one. So this one is a Core Steady, and I think it says it's like 45 kg. I don't know if that's right, but so yeah, this one is the one that I use, and I can also use this one for my squats. So anyway, now I can do 3 sets of pull-ups with 3 reps. It's not a lot, but I'm quite proud of it because I have gone from 0 to 3. Just a tip, if you are going to hang your overdoor and whenever you try to hang on it and your feet is still touching the floor, what I would recommend is before trying to pull yourself up, try to hover your feet above the ground to maximize every rep. When I started, I just really, pull myself while I'm standing up, and I found that when I tried doing it in the park where I'm really above the ground, I find it harder because I got used to like the support of the ground whenever I try to pull myself up. Next one is the resistance band again. So this one I shared with you earlier is the one that I use to assist me in my pull-ups. But this can also be very useful in, when you want to do some squats or other types of workout, because you can use it as a replacement for your weights. And also what I find useful is the booty bands. Booty bands are really useful even if I have dumbbells, because I can use the booty bands along with the dumbbells when doing squats or other lower leg workouts because it adds more challenge to it. Also, when you're traveling, you can use these resistance bands to do full body workouts. I have also used these bands to strengthen my back when I am starting to do my pull-ups. So those are my essentials, but I will also be giving you some of the equipments which I bought, which I find useful and has really helped me challenge myself more. So first one is ab slider. Ab slider is like a core burner. Whenever I do any exercise and use ab slider with it, it just really takes it to another level, or probably another levels, if that's right, because it just really is difficult. And as you can see in this video, that's how I use it for now. And before I couldn't pull off even just one, but now I am able to do, I think, 6 reps for each arm for doing ab slider workouts. Next is kettlebell. I really started using kettlebells because I loved working out with Body Fit by Amy, and at that time she used kettlebell a lot. As of the moment, I have a pair of 6 kg dumbbells and 12 kg. I do like using them whenever I do kettlebell swings. I prefer kettlebell than dumbbells, and I also use them whenever I work out with my partner because at times 2 pairs of dumbbells is just not enough for the 2 of us, so I use the kettlebell just in case I need a variety of weights during the workouts. Those are the equipments which I find useful and really swear by. However, like I said, you don't really need a lot of equipments to begin with. What you really need is a space to do your workout, exercise mat, and your mindset that you're gonna be sticking to this for the long run. If you find value in today's video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Again, thank you so much for sticking with me today, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks! Bye!